Hey guys, so in my previous video I have talked about same old camera sensors of the OnePlus 8T, which is a bad move for OnePlus in 2020. But now we have a very first look at the actual design of the handset, which is accidentally leaked by Casemate. I'm not sure if this is a real design of the device or it is just for a reference, but it is listed as OnePlus 8T's name. So for now this is what we have. The camera bump on the backs looks similar to that of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, but a little wider than that. The OnLeaks camera renders looks more squarish, but this right here is a bit circular around the edges and also looks better in real life. We can also see there is a ring around the main sensor to give it a more attractive look. Also there are two LED flash type things, one is obviously a flashlight, but not sure about the other one. On the top we have a secondary noise cancellation microphone, volume up and down buttons on the left side of the device, power on off button and alert slider is located on the right side. Now if this is the final and actual design of the phone, then I have no complaints about it, and also the device looks pretty good. In terms of specifications, OnePlus 8T will have a 6.55-inch flat 1080p resolution with 120Hz Fluid AMOLED display. Phone will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 5G CPU, so the performance and gaming experience will be great. The device also has a 4500 mAh battery size with ultra fast 65 watts fast charging speed with a Type-C port. At last, a budget quad camera setup with a 48 megapixel main sensor, 16 megapixel ultra wide angle macro and depth sensor. As for the pricing, its base variant 8GB plus 128GB is expected to come around $699 and there will be one more 12GB 256GB model as well. OnePlus 8T is also expected to come in two color options such as common green color present in the OnePlus 8 series and another silver/grey color. So that is it in this video guys. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section about the OnePlus 8T real life design, and if you end up liking this video then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more updates. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.